ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಗ್ತಾಳೆ, ಕದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಬಿದ್ದೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗವಳೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಗ್ತಾಳೆ, ಕದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಬಿದ್ದೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಅನ್ನ ತುಂಬೆ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗವಳೆ, ತಿನ್ನಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಕಣ್ಣಲೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಇಟ್ಟು ಕದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಬಿದ್ದೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾಳೆ.
Wherein you will have 20 questions of 2 marks each, which will be in the form of 5 marks each. So you get half an hour to complete this entire first round of researchers test. Based on the score, top 4 researchers will qualify to the second round, which will be held tomorrow. Again, I want to inform you that please mark the answers clearly. Sometimes you tick one, then put cross. It's quite confusing for us. In that case, if you have ticked one and put a cross on another, we will not be considering that question in calculating your marks. In case if there is a tie between any 2 teams, instead of 4, that is on the 4th spot, if there is a tie between 2 teams, then even 5 researchers can qualify to the next round. Team code 2, Akshay Gaura Patil. Team code 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is not here. 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 23, 24, 25, 28, 29, 30.
ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ರಿ ಸೈಡ್
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ MBA ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಕಾಮರ್ಸು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ 60-40.
ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಸರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅವರ ಆಫೀಸ್
ಶಂಕರ್
ವಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರ ಆಫೀಸ್
ಸಮೀಪಿತ ಸಿಟಿಯ ನಾವು ನೀವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಾಗ ಇರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಮುಗೀತು
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಜಾರಿಗೆ
ಸರ್ ಅಂದರು ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರು ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫೋನ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು
College three members out of that, one secretary for the society. So ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು all chairman of all colleges form part of the board of management of the society. So two-tier system ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And there is the chairman heading the board of management. And then it's been for quite some time. ಅವರೇ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಬರಬೇಕು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಂಡಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಮೋದ್ ಖಟಾರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಲೂರು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸೊ
ದಿನೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರು
I, Ms. Tanvi Kulkarni,
And I, Ms. Anushka Paraikundri,
welcome all the dignitaries on and off the days, ladies and gentlemen, to the 16th MK Nambyar Memorial National Level Moot Court Competition.
before we begin, I request everyone with their phones. Thank you.
Music has a unique way of uniting hearts and instilling a feeling of pride and belonging. Let's begin this program with the state anthem, our Nadagite.
I call upon Mr. Amok Sanikop and
Society, Sri A.K. Tagare, secretaries of the KLS Society, V.M. Deshpande and Ganachari, and other dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. I am immensely proud to stand before you to brief introduction of our college and welcome you once again. Raja Lakhamgowda Law College was established in the year 1939 and is one of the oldest law college in the South India. The college has produced the stalwarts in the legal fraternity, namely two former Chief Honorable Justice V.S. Malimat, former Chief Justice of Kerala High Court and Karnataka High Court, Honorable Justice S.R. Banurman, former Chief Justice of Kerala High Court. Honorable Justice Ramachandra Huddar, Honorable Justice Anil Katti, former judges of Karnataka High Court. At present, Three sitting justices of Karnataka High Court are our alumni, namely Honorable Justice Sachin Magdum, Honorable Justice K.S. Hemleka, and Honorable Justice Ravi Fasmani. Former Attorney General of India and Chief Patron of this historical moot court competition, Sri K.K. Venugopal is our proud alumni. Number of state ministers and even Parliament also contributed many more to the Indian Parliament, namely Sri B. Shankaranand, Sarojini Mahishi, and others also. The KLS RLL Society and RLLC celebrated its Platinum Jubilee in the year 2018. His Excellency Sri Ramnath Kovind, the then Honorable President of India, was the chief guest for the said function. The Chief Justice Sri Deepak Mishra and other three sitting judges of the Supreme Court were attended the function. Apart from the Honorable Governor of Karnataka and Chief Minister of Karnataka were also participated in the same function. The legacy of these distinguished alumni is continued our present students too. Last month, 8 of our students have been appointed as a civil judge in the Karnataka, which is the highest selection for any of the law college in the entire state of Karnataka. We are proud of all these alumni and we are going to felicitate them today with Karnataka. I welcome the President of the today's function, Sri Pradeep S. Saukar, Advocate and President of the Karnataka Law Society. I welcome you. I welcome Sri A.K. Tagare, Advocate and Chairman, Board of Management, KLS. I welcome the two secretaries, namely Sri V.M. Deshpande, Advocate, and Sri V.S.V. Dhanachari, Advocate. I also welcome our esteemed member of the Karnataka Law Society and Governing Council member, Sri Vivek Kulkarni, Sri Rajendra Bhagankar, the Chairman of the GIT, and Prakash Badkundri, who is the Chairman of the KLS Code. I welcome the faculty members and other dignitaries. I welcome the principal and the coordinator of this function. Once again, I welcome one and all present here. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening to all present over here. With great respect and admiration, I take this opportunity to introduce our distinguished chief guest of today's function, Honorable Miss Justice Jyoti M. Her ladyship was born and brought up in Raichur. She completed law in the year 1992. She then joined the office of Advocate Sri Tarak Ram in Bengaluru in the same year and practiced till the year 2019. She was elevated to the bench in the year 2019 and is serving as a judge of High Court of Karnataka. I now request Sri Pradeep S. Saukar sir to honor the chief guest of today's function, Honorable Miss Justice Jyoti M., Judge of High Court of Karnataka. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. It is indeed a matter of great honor and privilege for me to introduce the president of today's function, Sri Pradeep S. Saukar. Sri Pradeep S. Saukar completed his graduation LLB from University Law College, Bengaluru. He is currently a partner of Messrs. Sundaraswamy and Ramdas Law Firm, Bengaluru. Sir became a member of Karnataka Law Society on 18th March 2000. He has served as the chairman of the Governing Council of KLS VDIT Haliyal and also served as the chairman of the Board of Management of Karnataka Law Society. At present, he is serving as the president of Karnataka Law Society, continuing to inspire and guide the academic community with his valuable experience and leadership. Now, I humbly request Sri R.S. Mutalik, Advocate and Chairman of the Governing Council, Raja Lakham Gowda Law College, to kindly honor the President of today's function, Sri Pradeep S. Saukar.
you, sirs.
A very good evening to the distinguished dignitaries on and off the days, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me an immense pleasure to introduce the esteemed guests of honor of this evening's inaugural function. Firstly, I have the distinct honor of introducing Sri A.K. Thagare. Sir is a graduate in Commerce and Law. Sir's journey in the legal profession began when he joined the Belagavi Bar on the 1st of August 1976 with nearly 5 decades of dedicated practice primarily on the civil side. Sir's association with the Karnataka Law Society began on 18th October 1997. Over the years, he has served as the chairman of the governing council of RA Law College and as the secretary of KLS. Currently, he is the chairman, Board of Management, Karnataka Law Society. I now request Sri R.S. Mutalik sir, chairman of the governing council, RA Law College, to kindly honor Sri A.K. Thagare sir. Council of Gokte College of Commerce. At present, he serves as the Secretary Karnataka Law Society. Dr. A.H. Hawalda sir, to kindly honor Sri V.M. Deshpande sir. Thank you, sir. On 23rd October 2016 and has previously served as a chairman governing council of RA Law College Belagavi. At present, he is serving as a secretary Karnataka Law Society. I now request our principal, Dr. A.H. Hawalda sir, to kindly honor Sri S.V. Ganachari sir.
Good evening everyone. I, Manjula Kalan, take the pleasure of introducing to you Sri R.S. Mutalik, Advocate and Chairman, Governing Council, Rajalakam Goda Law College, Belgavi. Sir has completed law degree from V.S. Law College, Ballari and has served in BSNL for 8 years. Sir joined the Karnataka Law Society in 2008. At present, he is the Chairman, Governing Council, Rajalakam Goda Law College and Gupte College of Commerce. I request Professor Ashwini Parab to honor Sri R.S. Mutalik, Chairman, Governing Council, Rajalakam Goda Law College, Belgavi. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Manjula.
To introduce the prestigious MK Nambyar Memorial National Level, I want you all to watch this video.
Dr. Havildar had asked me to record a short message for the teams participating in the 16th MK Nambyar Memorial National Level Moot Court Competition 2026, which is being hosted by the Raja Lakama Gowda Law College in honor of my late father. It was 73 years ago that I graduated from the Raja Lakama Gowda Law College, but I still have fond memories of the 2 years that I spent there. Belgaum at that time was a very quiet place, and the law college and an arts college dominated the educational field. The law college was set up in a building which used to be the residence of Raja Lakama Gowda. When I last visited the law college, however, after a gap of about 60 years, I found a metamorphosis had taken place. I felt a sense of pride having studied in a law college which is now an institution of great excellence. I have recently published my autobiography, And this is what I have said about my alma mater. Quote, the teaching of law has undergone a revolutionary change. Today the Honor Law College is an institution of excellence with huge buildings, a vast campus and an excellent faculty. They have even gone to the extent of dedicating an air-conditioned auditorium in my name. This year, the MK Nambyar Moot Quartet competition has teams from as many as 18 colleges and from 8 states in India, including 12 teams from Karnataka. It is not only a great honor for my late father, but also reflects the high esteem in which the Honor Law College is held nationally. Let me convey my best wishes to all the teams and students who are competing in the Moot Court. I am confident that this will be a learning and enriching experience which will bring out the best in all participants. May the best team win. Thank you.
For accepting our request and recording this video. He has certainly made 16th MK Nambyar Memorial National Level Moot Court Competition special not just for us but for all the participating teams. Shri K.K. Venugopal, in the fond memory of his father, Shri M.K. Nambyar, instituted this prestigious moot court competition in our college. To understand the spirit of the competition, one must understand the man who is honored. So let us first know about these two. Indian legal fraternity has witnessed several father-son duos. It may be former Justice Y.V. Chandrachud and his son, former Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. It may be Shri Shanti Bhushan and his son, Shri Prashant Bhushan. And among this father-son duo, one of the greatest pair that we have is Shri M.K. Nambyar and Shri K.K. Venugopal, who have immensely contributed for the development and evolution and development of the constitutional jurisprudence in specific and in development of legal system in general. Shri M.K. Nambyar was a legal visionary who laid the foundation of Indian constitutional law. He was a champion of civil liberties. He pioneered the concept of personal liberty in the year 1950, when Indian Republic was just few months, when M.K. Nambyar stood before the Supreme Court in A.K. Gopalan's case. In the era where procedure established by law was interpreted in a literal and narrow manner, Shri M.K. Nambyar was having the audacity to argue on due process of law. He contended fundamental rights are not isolated islands. They are interconnected webs. He was the original champion of the idea, I quote, "No person should be deprived of liberty through arbitrary laws," I unquote. The most enduring contribution of Shri M.K. Nambyar to the constitutional jurisprudence is the doctrine of basic structure of the constitution, which he had laid down for the first time in Golaknath's case. But this was subsequently made the landmark judgment in Keshwanand Bharti's case. M.K. Nambyar has left behind a legacy of intellectual rigor. He was not just a lawyer, but a judicial reformer. Shri K.K. Venugopal's contribution to the legal profession is diverse and deep, just like that of his father. Having practiced for 7 decades, he is a designated senior advocate since 1972. His contribution to the legal system, whether as a private advocate or as the 15th Attorney General for India, by representing in various cases like Keshwanand Bharti case, or it may be K.S. Puttuswamy's case or Shabrimalaya case or Ayodhya case, but his contribution has been invaluable. Beyond litigation, he is also a judicial reformer. For his contribution, he has been awarded Padma Bhushan as well as Padma Vibhushan. Shri K.K. Venugopal is a person of integrity, humility, and intellectual rigor. To listen to him is to witness a living constitution in action. Having him as a proud alumnus of this college is a matter of great pride for us. And I'm certain the feeling is mutual, and that is why in his book, An Accidental Lawyer, he has mentioned great admiration and respect towards his alma mater, that is RL Law College. This event is a celebration of legacy of this father and son, that is Shri MK Nambyar and Shri K.K. Venugopal. This year, we are organizing the 16th edition of MK Nambyar Memorial National Level Moot Court Competition. We have 30 teams participating this year, out of which 14 teams are from around 9 states of India and 16 from Karnataka. The 30 teams shall be competing for the following prizes. Winner gets rupees 50,000 cash with a trophy. Runners-up gets 30,000 cash prize with a trophy. Best memorial gets 15,000 cash prize with a trophy. Best mooter female gets 15,000 cash prize with a trophy. Best mooter male gets 15,000 cash prize with a trophy. Best researcher gets 10,000 cash prize and a trophy. In addition to this, we also have Advocate Shri A.N. Poddar cash prize of rupees 6,050 given to the best mooter. Now I request the teams to kindly rise at their respective seats as and when their names are called out for a formal introduction. I start with VVM Govind Ramnath Khare College of Law, Goa. I request the technical team to just on the lights on the audience. VM Sargaonkar College of Law, Goa. After your introduction, Law School, Noida. KLA School of Law, Tiptur, that is Karnataka. KIIT School of Law, Odisha. Shaji Law College, Kolhapur. ICFAI Law School, Telangana. Karnataka State Law University, Hubballi. Watson University, Telangana. Advocate Bala Saheb Apte College of Law, Mumbai. KPES Dr. G.M. Patil Law College, Dharwad. Bangalore Institute of Legal Studies, Bangalore. School of Legal Studies, QCET, Kerala. Shri Dharmasthal Manjunatheshwara Law College, Bangalore. KLE's Law College, Bengaluru. KLE Society's S.A. Manvi Law College, Gadag. MES Law College, Shirshi. KLE Society's Law College, Chikodi. KLE's B.V. Bellad Law College, Belgavi. KLE's GK Law College, Hubli. St. Joseph College of Law, Bangalore. School of Legal Studies, Sanjay Godawat University, Kolhapur. Alliance University, Bengaluru. Shastra deemed to be University, Tamil Nadu. Savita School of Law, Tamil Nadu. School of Excellence in Law, Tamil Nadu. Dr. Ambedkar Law College, Tamil Nadu. JSS Sakri Law College, Hubli. To conclude, the law is not a static body of rules, but a living instrument of social change. We are privileged to have such bright minds here today to carry the torch forward. We wish all the participating teams a very good luck. May your arguments be sharp, your citations be accurate, and your passion for
Jyoti Janardana. Deepo me harato papam, Deepa Jyoti namostute.
I request. I request any two participants. Yatha bhavo tatha bhavati. That says, you become what you believe. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. We are very proud to announce that 8 of our alumni have been recently selected as civil judges, which is the highest selection for any law college in Karnataka.
I request the Chief.
Honorable Ms. Justice Jyoti M. Judge, High Court of Karnataka, to deliver the inaugural address.
Distinguished dignitaries on the dais, and dear students. It's a matter of immense pleasure and privilege for me to be here today at Oral Law College and the 16th MK Nambyar Memorial National Level Moot Court Competition 2026. I must commend the institution for choosing a relevant and challenging proposition this year. Mooting is more than just an academic activity. It forms foundation of a clinical legal education. A moot court is where theory encounters practice. It teaches discipline of dispassion, the ability to passionate about argument while remaining dispassionate about the outcome. Let your argument be short, comprehending, much in a few words. Your ability to articulate complex issues simply is your biggest ability and asset. Courtroom etiquette, demeanor, and respect for the bench are as important as the strength of your arguments. Arguments are won on research and presented with confidence. The legal profession demands integrity, empathy, and commitment to justice. As you leave this auditorium to compete, remember to act with integrity and uphold the dignity of the profession. I congratulate the participating teams for making this far. This experience will prove invaluable to your legal career. I wish the organizers a great success and all participants the very best of luck. Thank you.
To address the gathering,
Honorable Justice Jyoti M, Judge High Court of Karnataka, President KLS, Chairman, Secretaries, my fellow members, students, participants, press and media. It has been an honor for me to be present here today at this moot court inauguration. First of all, I would like to thank Padma Vibhushan K.K. Venugopal for making us to witness this intellectual stimulation event. We are indebted to him. Because of him, this has been started about 16 years, and that we are continuously doing it at a national level. Moot court competition play a very important role in the legal education, while textbooks teach us the theory of law. Moot courts gives the students the opportunity to experience the practical side of the legal profession. They help students develop essential skills such as legal research, critical thinking, advocacy, and public speaking. Standing before the bench and presenting argument is not an easy task. It requires confidence, preparation, and ability to think quickly, because the questions have been posed on the facts, and that you need to have a command of the facts, so also on the legal implications on your facts. The participants here today deserve an appreciation for their hard work and dedication. I know, being a student of law as well, what kind of hard work is required to be put to participate in these kind of national level moot court competitions. What makes a moot court special is that it encourages students to analyze legal problems from this different perspective, apply legal principles, and defend their arguments with a clarity and logic. Why they are supporting their argument, on what basis they are supporting the arguments, that logic is required to be presented before the honorable judges. These are the same skills that required for the very successful lawyer, judges, and scholars in the law field to succeed in the respective fields. To all the participants, I would like to say, winning is very, very important, but learning is far more valuable than winning, and that you will be able to learn many things from the participating students over here. Each argument you present and each questions you answer helps you to go in the future in the legal profession. I would also like to appreciate the faculty members, organizers who have worked hard to create this platform for the students to showcase their talents and develop their advocacy skills. Really, this has been continuously been done, and that every year it has been increasing its level. I am confident that the enthusiasm and the talent that is going to be displayed in coming days, in 2 days, will shape the future of the legal profession for everyone. Those who are participating, for them, so also those who are going to watch on and around the Belgaum city, where the colleges are there, they should participate effectively and learn as to how the cases have been presented. I wish all the participants very best and look forward for witnessing some excellent arguments. Thank you, and I wish the event grand success. Thank you very much.
Advocate and President Karnataka Law Society Belagavi, to deliver the presidential remarks.
Honorable Justice Jyoti M., Chief Guest of today's function, other dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, students and invitees. I'm very happy to be here with you today to participate in the inaugural function of the 16th MKN Nambyar Memorial Moot Court competition. As pointed out by the Chief Guest and the other speaker, Mr. Ganachari, mooting is very important in the career of a student. Mooting and then participation in moot court and then internships that you do every year will go a long way in building your career, whether you practice or do litigation work or non-litigation work. Even if you join an institution or do any other work in law, this will hold you in good state, because this will teach you to do research, which is more important. In fact, as lawyers, even though we are, in fact, I started my practice sometime in 1980. I cannot say I have learned everything and then know everything in law. Every day I keep reading. I am a student every day. So we need to read and then understand. The same judgment you read 10 times, you will get 10 different ways of interpreting a particular problem. But that's the fascinating thing about law and practice. In the introduction of the chief guest, it was tied down to just a few things, but then all of you should know that the chief guest started her career in law in Bangalore Bar, and I have also been practicing in Bangalore Bar. I have seen the chief guest practice also, and then she was also she has handled several matters in various fields and very active in mediation also. And in fact, she has as a mediator, conciliator, and then a trainer, she has trained several advocates and judges, and she was also given an award for that. She was practicing in the office of Tarkaram, a senior advocate. Tarkaram was his father, V. Krishnamurthy, was also a highly respected and a senior advocate of the 60s and 70s. I, having joined bar in the year 1980, I had the opportunity of listening to his arguments also, as I used to accompany my senior, Mr. Sundarswamy. So several stalwarts were there at that point of time. In fact, K.K. Venugopal also used to come to Karnataka High Court those days. I used to watch them. Watching them, hearing them and listening to their arguments was something which I don't think these days students find it interesting, sitting in court and then doing that. I think we should all develop that. It is only then that we acquire that skills and then try to imbibe that by reading and then doing research and then trying to present in the best possible manner. So I wish all the participants a great success in their future and all the best in the present competition. Thank you.
call upon Ms. Tanmay Saraf, General Secretary, to propose the vote of thanks.
Everyone present here. As quoted by James Allen, no duty is more urgent than that of rendering thanks. Dignitaries on and off the days, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of KLS Management, Governing Council, Principal, staff and students of Raja Lakhamgowda Law College, I, Tanmay Saraf, General Secretary, take immense pleasure in rendering the vote of thanks. Firstly, I express my deepest gratitude to Honorable Miss Justice Jyoti M., Judge, High Court of Karnataka, for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest of today's function and for the inaugural address and also for honoring the newly appointed judges. Thank you so much, ma'am. I express my heartfelt thanks to Shri Pradeep S. Saukar, Advocate and President Karnataka Law Society, Belgavi, for presiding over the function. Thank you, sir. I sincerely thank today's guest of honor, Shri A.K. Tagare, Advocate and Chairman Board of Management, KLS Belgavi, for his support and valuable presence in today's function. Thank you, sir. I thank Shri S.V. Ganachari, Advocate and Secretary KLS Belgavi, for his encouraging words. Thank you, sir. I also thank Shri V.M. Deshpande, Advocate and Secretary KLS Belgavi, for his support and gracious presence in today's function. Thank you, sir. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Shri R.S. Mutalik, Advocate and Chairman Governing Council, Raja Lakhamgowda Law College, for welcoming the August gathering and for his guidance in organizing this function. Thank you, sir. My deepest thanks to all the KLS board members for their valuable presence in this function. I thank Dr. A.H. Havaldar, Principal, Raja Lakhamgowda Law College, for being the driving force behind this event. Thank you, sir. I express my sincere gratitude to Professor Ashwini Parab for introducing us to the MKN Nambyar Memorial National Level Moot Court Competition and for introducing the participants and also for her unwavering support and guidance in organizing this event. Thank you, ma'am. A special thanks to all the participants for their enthusiastic presence in today's inaugural function. We wish you all the best for the upcoming competition. I sincerely thank all the invitees and other dignitaries present here for their gracious presence. I also thank the press and media for covering this event and helping us reach a wider audience. My profound thanks to all my beloved professors and supporting staff of Raja Lakhamgowda Law College for their support, encouragement and active involvement in organizing this event. Last but not the least, I express my heartfelt thanks to all my co-counselors, student coordinators, volunteers and student friends who have made this function a grand success. Once again, I thank everyone present here for making this inaugural function a grand success. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanmay. Now, I kindly request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
We wish everyone here a wonderful evening and all